Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's tutorial, I show you how to hide your online status on your Facebook Messenger. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. So first thing first, head over to your Messenger and get logged into your account. Select this menu bar and then select Settings. Once you do that, onto your profile, you will see Active Status. All you have to do is select it and here, toggle it off. It will ask you the moment. You can also tap on Custom and change the date. Let's say you would like to turn off the active status for a whole month, so select a month. If not, you can also toggle it off for until you change it. Select pause, and now you can see you are inactive, meaning the online status has been hidden or turned off. If it had helped you in any ways, hit like and subscribe to our TechMates for more tutorials like this. If you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our TechMates membership today. Members get first priority on responses and comments. The link is right down below.